Okay, I have a Sargent lock. It's a 5-pin. This is the keyway on it. I do not have a key for this lock. I don't even have a blank key that'll fit it. So once I find a blank key that'll fit it, then I'll impression a key for it. But anyway, let's see what it's going to take to open it. Remember, this is a 5-pin Sargent, so they're not too bad, I don't believe. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway. Let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, a little bit on 5. Pin 3. A little bit more on 5. Okay, there it is, open. Okay, that's on our Sargent padlock. No key for it. So, Jeff, if you know what keyway this is, please let me know so I can order me some blanks for it. Thank you, I appreciate it. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble, and thank you for watching.